Is your productivity stopped because NVIDIA Direct3D User-mode Driver can't find the NVIDIA 3D DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. As we look at the manual steps for NVIDIA 3D there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the NVIDIA 3D the NVIDIA Direct3D User-mode Driver. It manages the unmanaged translation of D3D graphics calls into binary instructions executable by NVIDIA GPUs. It facilitates the hardware-accelerated rendering of 3D game manifests and visual effects. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. NVIDIA 3D is a critical dependency for games and graphics-heavy apps. I suggest installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore your system's legacy DirectX routines, followed by a GPU driver update to handle any modern compute or OpenGL requirements. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing NVIDIA 3D message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of NVIDIA 3D DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing NVIDIA 3D and system health. To support our technical team and receive updates on NVIDIA 3D resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.